Hey YouTube, this is DNL Machine coming at you with another video. Keep you out of the jello pudding. 2010 Acura MDX. We are fixing the rear third row seat that did not want to fall down. First thing you're going to do, you're going to take the bottom of the seat off. Right here, right here. Those attach right here. And on the other side with these Torx screws, two. You're going to get this cover off, two Phillips right here. That one goes there, and one goes here. This little cover clips in right there. Those little clips, really easy. So you peel that off, take this cover out, and here you can see your cable mechanism. And what had happened on this one, this cable moves fine. The way to check this is your cable attached on the inside. You can take this out of the back of the seat. Two screws. Take this out here and watch this cable right here. If this moves nice, when you pull your handle, okay, and it means that your cable is not busted off inside there, and that part's okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Right here, mine was seized up. It didn't even have anything spilled on it really, or any gunk or damage. Once I got this off, took a hook, pick tool, you can use anything. Be careful with this. And then I just got in here and worked this. And worked it and worked it. And eventually it got nice and started cooperating. You want to support your seat on something here so that there's no tension on this lock and unlock leg, I guess. This is what bolts to the floor right there. This is the rear passenger third row seat. So now you can see right there that the latch is almost in the fully closed, fully latched position right there. When you pull your handle, after you have done whatever you need to do to loosen up your mechanism or whatever, okay, when you pull this guy, you're going to reach a point of tension, and then you're going to need to pull a little bit more, and you'll see, okay, that guy's moving. Don't force this, okay, but do know that there is a bit of slack there, and then you're going to reach a point of tension. Do not force this. You break this and it's $200 and some US for that, because it comes with the cable that runs all the way down there and into there, and I'm sure you can imagine just how much fun that is to replace. All right, I hope this helps. Stay gold.